What is BurpSuite? BurpSuite is an integrated platform for performing security tests of web applications. Its various tools work seamlessly together to support the entire testing process, from initial mapping and analysis of an application's attack surface through to finding and exploiting security vulnerabilities. The Target tool enables you to define which targets are in scope and contain the sitemap, which shows you detailed information about your target. BurpProxy operates as a web proxy server between the browser and target applications. It enables you to intercept, inspect, and modify traffic that passes in both directions. BurpIntruder is a tool for automating customized attacks against web applications. It enables you to configure attacks that send the same HTTP request over and over again, inserting different payloads into predefined positions each time. BurpRepeater is a tool that enables you to modify and send an interesting HTTP or WebSocket message over and over. For example, you can use it to send a request with varying parameter values to test for input-based vulnerabilities. BurpSequencer enables you to analyze the quality of randomness in a sample of tokens. You can use it to test any tokens that are intended to be unpredictable, such as session tokens, anti-CSRF tokens, and password reset tokens. BurpDecoder enables you to transform data using common encoding and decoding formats, such as base64. BurpCompare enables you to compare any two items of data. You can use it to quickly and easily identify subtle differences between requests or responses. BurpLogger records all the HTTP traffic that BurpSuite generates in real time. BurpExtension enables you to customize how BurpSuite behaves. You can even write your own. Cool, and that's it. That's a brief synopsis of BurpSuite. Thanks for watching. Bye.